Today is the day of the car meet. We are getting ready to leave. We have to show up by 6 so we can get everything set up. And yeah, boys, I'll get back to you when I show up and give you some of that good content. Alright, well, we made it here at the event. Some nice cars. Bro, you just gotta check the fitment on this one right here. Jesus.
I've definitely considered it.
Yeah, if you're interested, I'll give you my Instagram and then DM me and.
These nice.
I'll pull it up and try and get a little more information about it.
This your car?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's clean, bro.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, this is the bag Lexus right here. This thing is fucking mint. Big brake kit. You already know what's going on with it. If it's got a big brake kit, you already know what's going on.
And then
I think it's nice.
one more place you can follow.
Yeah, it's red interior. This was nice. And you got the Volkswagen side by side. I'll just talk to myself.
Right by the R32. Just pulling the same exact way as everybody else. We're gonna lift up the dog take for you. Excuse me, what's your name?
My name's David.
Nice to meet you. I think we rode the bus together.
I think we did.
Yeah. How you been,
Damn,
man?
bro.
It's been ages.
Yeah, it has been.
Jump forward to the hair.
Yeah, I'll probably start recording again once there's a lot more cars here. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Oh, that's lit.
Perfect.
The hood, my hood's stock. Well, everything under my engine, the whole car's stock. That means there's no mods done to the engine.
That's a lot different.
The ones I went to down in SoCal were on import nice.
Yeah, that makes super nice. Fucking $5 grand.
You know, I got my baby here. Oh, okay. This thing's mean, dude. Check out the fucking camber on that car, dude. On a Mustang, anyways.
That's nuts. Honestly, like this side, is this side what you were wanting to do to my Benz? Like how it looks on this side?
Yeah, I didn't mean to get you in it, but damn, where'd you get this wrapped?
Huh?
Where'd you get it wrapped? What did you do yourself?
I mean, I did it myself.
Oh, you did?
Where? Yeah. I did it myself.
Oh, that's nice work, man. Yeah, show cars. You gotta tuck. Nah, that's fine.
Hey, how's it going?
same idea.
You're getting all the good shots, bro.
Yeah. It was like perfect.
Oh, yeah, dude.
My friend Madison's right over there. That's cool.
I saw this at O'Reilly's earlier.
Really?
Earlier today, yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, you can see the gap.
What's up, big man?
Bro.
Mind if I give it a little draw?
Oh, do anything you want.
Can you give me? Come here. Okay. Okay.
It's literally right there, held on by zip ties.
It's just recording.
Actually, no, those zip ties are pretty good. He gave them to me. Oh, this is my neighbor. He drives that white freaking lowered Lexus over there. It's really nice.
Oh my god. I saw that.
He actually beat me the same suspension he has. I'll have. He beat me to it.
Hell yeah.
And I like bragging. He did it himself. That's pretty cool.
Appreciate it, man. I don't know if you were trying to be in the video or not, but this is my neighbor. He owns
My
this
neighbor, he's awesome.
beautiful IS300. Yeah, buddy.
My wife's selling her shit too.
I know, I saw that is so creative. I have her thing in here.
Oh, this thing's nice.
Whole lot of bread every season. Smoking weed and laughing like I'm babies. Pull up in the devil, I mean a demon. Trigger figure, you give me a reason. Well, cut throat, nigga, all my niggas greasy. A titty's big, then I suck 'em like I'm teething. Still got the plug on the middle finger.
This thing's nice. Yeah, I think so. I mean, only if like you remember something.
Yeah.
Dual compressors and everything. Oh.
Hell yeah, bro. Shit's fucking clean.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Damn, where'd that Audi go? Oh, it's right over there.
Yeah.
That is nice.
Never trying to deal with that. There's something my ignorance still don't deal with.
What's up, brother?
It's pretty, yeah.
Bro, there's... Checking the build out, brother.
Well, it's flexible, so they lift it.
Oh, fuck me, dude. This thing's fucking clean, dude. Oh my god.
So make sure no one parks over there.
I will. Go further. Right there. Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Fucking wide body, dude. Oh shit. That thing is fucking...
But they don't like.
Bro, this thing's got a fat ass.
Dude, you see the fucking like.
It's got a fucking fat ass. There's a Frenchie in there. There's a Frenchie here. A Frenchie. That's the dog. The Frenchie.
Because we're full except for one more spot.
We literally just one more person.
Alright, perfect. White quarter the last guy, and then we're full.
Barely got this thing wrapped in time.
Hey, what did you hear, Blogger 2?
He put me on one of them, and I didn't even know. We were in Walmart trying to look for a heating gun or something. Look at the stick shift.
She said, look at the stick.
Saw that really well.
This one right here, this one's crazy. Yeah, that one's chopping. So many things, having so many dreams. On 3P airlift performance, and it's a dual compressor with a 4-gallon tank. Yeah, I tried to make everything look nice, but it was short timing. I'm gonna redo the whole wooden shit, but yeah.
Okay. What's up? What year is this?
Shit. Oh, it's a 1998.
98?
Yup. Huh? Yeah, it's all in mint condition, no cracks in the leather, nothing's wrong with it. 147,000 miles on it.
It's still a baby.
Yeah, still a baby.
It's dope, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Fully gutted.
Hey. How the well told done?
I have both of them redone.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Other than that, no good.
Man.
Tell me what time the Charger is.
62, 66.
You just said.
It's seen the fire.
You just said fuck the interior, huh?
Hell yeah, that's extra weight I don't need. No fat bitches allowed.
Oh my god. That is the nicest.
Horton's brother. Oh, hi. Thank you. Okay, babe, my bed has to be like
That's that dude from Target. Yeah.
The reason it gets
Hey, you're big, brother.
Hey, how's it going?
You're big, man.
Thank you. Oh, are you meaning?
Yeah,
height, or
No,
you
no,
mean-
like you're fucking built.
Oh my, oh these here?
Yeah.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you.
It's personally, I don't take all the credit for myself. I believe my father helped me out
I
quite a
get
bit. You know what I'm saying?
I get that, man. I get that.
You know,
I know. Jesus fucking Christ. I got those same rims, but his are silver.
The corner right here.
Look at that dog. He's clean, man.
thanks, son.
There's people.
It's clean, man.
I found another Impala.
This is the boys' whip.
How
Say
much?
what up, say what up.
Hey, what's up?
Mm.
We got the baby.
Say what up to the camera, right?
Oh, what's up?
Say James Coronado.
I actually got to see this thing in person, but I see it on the stories all the
Yeah,
time.
this is the bros, Eric's. Fucking,
This thing spins, dude.
this is the TBSS.
This thing is.
Not bad.
Good, you know. Go follow the boy.
Burn the block.
Bro, this kid goes through more tires than any person I've ever met in my life.
Yeah, dude.
He's crazy.
LS3? Is that what it
That's
is?
nice, bro.
No, it's a LS intake, but it's actually it's a 4.8.
Is it really?
Yep.
Oh, this looks
Okay.
clean.
But
Just a low
Oh, damn.
oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, this thing's nice, dude. The interior as well. Holy shit, dude.
I think I've seen these guys. Goddamn.
This thing's clean,
Got some
dude.
money into it. That's cool.
This thing is fucking nuts, dude.
That is hella cool.
Bro, can you even see out of that back window? It does, dude.
I don't like
The spikes, though. I don't like
That's the
those.
only thing I don't really like.
Yeah.
The thing is nice, though. I wonder what kind of. Oh shit! That thing is low, dude. Oh, I think it sounds sick. Oh my god.
That's pretty cool. I don't like beamers, but that one's
Bro, he lost. Oh my. Oh, dude, I'm just using the same one. Yeah. Oh, dude, I better not run out of Is he gonna burn? Oh, I think he is, dude. Yeah. Another helicopter attack. Oh my god.
There's the Cadillac right there, dude. That thing. That's like my favorite car of the whole show. I'm getting.
Oh my god, dude.
I love those cars, dude.
Oh my god. Fuck, dude. Oh, fuck, dude.
Hey, y'all be safe, bro.
Hey, you too, man.
Hey, police parked right over there.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, they're all over there right now.
Oh, he's gonna do some crazy shit, huh?
Hit it.
Yeah. Oh, you fucking hit that, dude. I was just like, nah, it's just a Nissan. He can do that. He goes and spins it. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh yeah. What the fuck? Oh yeah. That thing sounded fucking mean.
Keep going.
Hey man, your car's
Thanks, brother. No, I can't drive like that, brother.
I was driving on the lowest setting right now.
You're supposed to record the reactions, Kira.
I know, I was.
Okay.
You suck, man.
Hey, spin it! Spin it!
Nah.
Okay, David, no. No, no. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh no.
Let's see what they say about the bags.
No, don't do that. They won't say anything as long as you're good to drive. Okay, I don't want to film them anymore.
Nah, just do it. It doesn't matter. They can't do anything. Stick your hand out and kind of the window.
Yeah, but then it's gonna make it really obvious.
They can't pull us over for filming here. Stick it out the window. Stop being scared.
Artlist.io.
Started as an East Coast vibe, now I'm going worldwide. We got this bitch going crazy. I used to take the Mazda for a drive, now I'm on the 405 like it's fuck you, pay me. We really sick of standing outside, had to push them all aside. It's what you get for trying to play me. I bet they make a movie when